Welcome! In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to unpin a message on the Discord app for PC with the newest update. If you've pinned something in the past, and now it feels a little outdated, or if you simply want to clear up your list of pinned messages, this quick guide will walk you through the process easily. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're inside, head over to the chat where the message you pinned is located. This could be a private, direct message or a text channel inside a server, depending on where you set the pin earlier. Now scroll through until you find the pinned message you want to remove. Hover your cursor over the message, and you'll notice some options appear on the right-hand side. Next to the jump button, you will see a small X, which is the Unpin button. Click on that, and a confirmation box will pop up. At this point, you just need to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click the Remove button. Once you do this, the message will no longer show up in your list of pinned messages. That's it. Simple and done. This update makes managing your pinned messages much cleaner, so you can always keep the important stuff without having old or unnecessary things cluttering up the list. It's perfect for keeping your server channels and chats more organized, especially if you work with a group, run a community, or just like keeping things neat in your direct messages. To recap quickly, open the app, go to the chat, hover over the pinned message, click the X, confirm with remove, and you're all set. It only takes a few seconds, and now you know exactly how to do it whenever you need to. That's everything for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.